Hello and welcome back to my cave. My new fancy cave. As you can see, it's still a mess, but it's gonna take a while. So, anyway, today we're gonna be doing state issue 7 of Build the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. So, here we have the kit number 23. And that is more sheets. Anyway, first we need the seat back from kit 19. And that just slots into like so. And seat cushion goes on top. Like so. And that is held in with 4 probably. Yes, 4 PS05 screws. Like so. And that is kit number 23 complete. And yes, before you type your comment, I know my cutting mat is dirty and it's the only one I could find. Anyway, now we have stage 24, which is metal and heavy for its size. We get this plate, but we also need this back, and from stage 20 I believe, and put this side together, and so that is held in with 4 DS02 screws from underneath. And as always, I'm putting the metal screws into oil to make it easier. And that is kit 24 complete. And next we have kit number 25, which is plastic for some strange reason. And we bring our chassis and line this up like so, and that is held with a total of 9 DS02 screws. Like so. That is kit number 25 complete. Now we have the back half of the chassis all put together. So now we have stage 26. We don't need a chassis, but we are getting the first part of the rear axle. And that is a quick step because all we're doing is putting 2 PS08 screws which are flanged into this differential housing cover, not cover, but yeah, differential. This one, I'm not gonna tighten it all the way until we install it, but here's the second one. If you could see it, I'm sorry. And that is stage 26 complete. I think this goes into here when we assemble the axle and work on the suspension. But that is for the next video. I'm gonna say thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.